Hey guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and this is a review of Motorola Tab G20. Now this tablet is available on Flipkart for 10,999 rupees and it comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. Now let's start with design and build. It comes with a premium metal design and has a sleek body. It also has a premium matte finish and it has curved edges. Now this one comes in platinum grey color. It has a thickness of 8.15 mm and weighs 305 grams. In hand, it feels good to hold even with one hand. The curved edges give a good feel and it feels light in hand. Weight management is pretty good. On the side, the buttons have soft clicks and are sufficiently elevated, and power button has a nice texture on it. Next, let's look at hardware. Now this phone comes with all the basic sensors and has Bluetooth 5.0. Now it comes with only dedicated SD card slot and there are no SIM slots. It is Wi-Fi only model. As for security, it doesn't have fingerprint scanner, but it comes with face unlock. And it works pretty well. In good lighting conditions, it takes 2 to 3 seconds to unlock. In low lighting conditions, it is the same, takes 2 to 3 seconds to unlock. And complete darkness, it doesn't work. Now this has auto brightness sensor and it works nicely. And the sunlight legibility is also pretty good. Now let's look at the display. It comes with 8-inch IPS display with TDDI and has HD plus resolution. It has 85% screen to body ratio and it comes in 16:10 aspect ratio. The color reproduction, brightness and video sharpness all are pretty great and well balanced. There is no notch and it has bezels on all sides. The top and bottom are similar sized bezels which are slightly bigger than the side ones, and the side bezels are pretty small. But overall, the bezels are not that big. Next, let's look at cameras. Now it has single camera bump on the rear which houses 5 megapixel camera. And with the rear camera, you can take a 1080p resolution video at 30 fps. On the front, it has 2 megapixel camera, and you can take a selfie video in 720p resolution at 30 fps. Now here are the sample photos. The photos look good, and the selfies are also nice. Skin tones look natural, and the front camera is pretty good. In a well-lit room, it should be good for online classes or video calls. Next, let's look at performance. It comes with Helio P22T processor with IMG PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It has 3GB LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB storage, and it can be expandable up to 2TB via microSD card. Now these are the benchmark scores. As for apps and memory management, apps open very quickly and it can hold more than 8 apps in memory and also reopens them quickly. So that's pretty good. As for gaming experience, the highest temperature after gaming was 35 degrees and the highest after heat test was 33 degrees. Approximately 18 minutes of gameplay consumed 4% of battery. Gaming was pretty smooth and I couldn't notice any lag. There are no heating issues either. The heat management was pretty good. But keep in mind, we recorded gaming review in a AC room at 26 degrees. So the results may vary on a hot day without AC, but it shouldn't be an issue. Next we have software. It comes with Android 11 with July 2021 security patch. Now it has stock Android experience and it is ad-free, bloatware-free, and it has a clean UI. The software experience is pretty smooth and even the regular usage is pretty smooth. As for audio, it comes with a single speaker at the top and it is pretty good. Here's an audio sample. The audio is loud and it is good for media consumption, ringtones and alarms. It also comes with 3.5mm audio jack at the top, and this comes with Dolby Atmos support, which is for both headphones and the speakers. As for battery department, it comes with 5100 mAh battery and comes with 10 watts charger inside the box. It has Type-C port. Now I watched videos on the tablet and browsed in general, so with that regular usage, battery lasted for more than 2 days, which is pretty great. And it was on a 1-week standby and didn't lose much charge. So overall, in the battery department, it is pretty good. Now to conclude, if you want a tablet around the price of 11,000 rupees that has clean UI with no bloatware, decent performance, which is pretty good for casual gaming, then you can go with this tablet. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.